next one up is this stunning BMW M1000R. This is just back from a trip all around the south of France, Spain. Unfortunately, he got caught in a load of Sahara dust. He said it was absolutely covered in it. He has washed it once, just lightly to remove it, but you can see on here, there is dust ingrained. So we're doing one of our full works packages on this, which does include a full ceramic application. The Ultimaxx Signature Pro will be airbrushed on all the lower half. I will polish up that exhaust like new, and we will apply the Ultimaxx Signature quartz on all the top half. That is a self-healing ceramic, will help with any minor scratches in the future. Quite important on these BMWs, these M series, they've got like a satin finish wheels, these lovely wheels, but they are prone to get staining and stuff like that, so having ceramic on those will make those nice and easy to keep clean and prevent any staining in the future, as you can see there. So let's get this washed, let's get it decontaminated, get some snow foam on it, get all that Sahara dust off it, and then we'll get it in the studio and we'll crack on with some detailing, and then we'll get the airbrush out and get this properly covered. Watch this space.
Trust, drive on a Saturday night. I'm ready to start and I'm calling the shots in. I gotta show some muscle, I gotta show some muscle. I gotta run the show, cause na 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 na. I gotta show some muscle, I gotta show some muscle. I gotta run the show, cause na 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 na. Boss, come bring it like a boss, behave it like a boss, yeah. Complain it like a boss, just as long as you're the boss. Keep on thinking like a boss, so don't you miss this bus. Believe it, you're the boss.
There you go, just under 3 hours. This BMW M1000RR has been fully trotted. Oh my God, look at the gloss on that, absolutely gleaming. This said one of our full works packages, which includes a full dose of the Ultimaxx ceramic. So we did a snow foam safe wash just to loosen up any contaminants. Got it in the studio here. We did a single stage polish on all the bodywork, mirror polished up all the exhaust. We then prepped it all. I treated these wheels with the Ultimaxx Lumix. That's a graphene ceramic coating. That's a 5-year ceramic, works really well with the black, especially those wheels which are got a bit of a satin finish. Those are all protected. All the engine has been we airbrushed the Ultimaxx Signature Pro on all the engine, all the frame, suspension linkages, etc. All up underneath has had the Signature Pro. Like I said, we did a single stage polish on all the bodywork just to remove any imperfections. We prepped it and then we treated it to the Ultimaxx Signature quartz. That is a self-healing ceramic. Look at the gloss on that. Everything's been done, just under 3 hours. This is the best time to get your bike done when it is new. Get it properly protected for the years ahead. Give us a call. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. 07966 249 963.
Keep on thinking like a boss, so don't you miss this bus. Believe it, you're the boss. I gotta show some muscle, I gotta show some muscle. I gotta run this show, cause na 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 na.